Good evening, everybody, in this nice cold weather. But the good thing about it is we're here to switch on, or should I say they're already switched on, the Diwali lights. I just switched some lights on in the town centre, but it's good to come along today and do this one now. But the good thing about it is that I hope all of you who are celebrating the Hindu festival have a lovely and prosperous and a healthy Diwali with your family and friends and your neighbours. At this present moment, everybody needs to come together in this not very good time at the moment, but I think it would be very good if everybody works together, lives together, eats together, and actually comes together as well. She's a past mayor, just to let you know. I don't know if Diwali was around when you were around, but anyway, it's good to see her here.
Thank you.
And plus the police are here, which is good. This year's Remembrance Day falls on the same day as Diwali. It's a special one at the Civic Centre. Last time it'd be done there. You are all welcomed, and it'll be something spectacular that's going to happen there, completely different. Also, I'm inviting the whole of the public to come into the reception in Civic 5 and 6 to have coffees and teas and goodies. So you're all welcome this year. But once again, I would like to wish all of you a happy Diwali and a prosperous and healthy one to all of you and your family. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.